Hello mga Marinatics, ayan bumalik ako sa In-N-Out dahil talagang nagkikrave ako sa burger nila. So dito kami ngayon sa drive-thru kasi medyo mainit mainit. So dito lang kami o-order sa loob. Kaya eto na, matatapos ang aking pag-crave sa burger ng In-N-Out. Hello.
Price.
Okay, so ayan, o-order na kami. Hi, for you. Can I get 2 orders of double-double? With onion. And then one French fries. And then another 1 cheeseburger. And that's it.
And then on the cheeseburger, would you like onions in that?
Onion, please? Yeah, onion.
Got it. And then anything to drink today?
No, thank you.
Got it.
Okay, so ayan, malapit na kami. Dito na kami sa counter para magbayad and pick upin yung aming order. Okay, so ayan, kukunin na natin yung order natin.
Here are fries. Let me check out your burgers.
Yep. Thank you. Here you go. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, ayun na. So okay guys, kakain na kami and thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.